watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Number 1. Miter Saw Protractor from SEEKONE. Accurate. Features easy-to-read precision laser and grade scales. Protractor allows direct angle reading to the miter saw. Perfect for crown molding, trim work, and a variety of other carpentry applications. O-body design. SEEKONE Miter Saw Protractor is of O-shaped design during operation and ensures smooth and precise read on inside, outside corners, crafted from precision CNC machined aluminum alloy. Easy to carry. SEEKONE Miter Saw Protractor is made of lightweight aluminum alloy, which has great corrosion and wear resistance, extending the lifespan. Also, its small size and lightweight material makes it easy to carry. Wide application. Whether you are a professional or not, SEEKONE Miter Saw Protractor is excellent for you. It is suitable for crown molding, miter cuts, carpentry, plumbing, metalworking, and more. Number 2. Tubing Cutter Set with Mini Tube Cutter from EZARC. Large cutting capacity. Large tubing cutter cut through 3/16 to 2-inch outside diameter pipes with the thickness of 1/10 inch. Mini tubing cutter cut through 1/8 to 7/8 inch pipes with a maximum thickness of 1/10 inch, especially for use in restricted areas where a complete turn is not possible. Clean and precise cut. Professional copper pipe cutter set has 6 pieces of individual bearings, allowing for increased cutting speed. Precise rolling control makes every cut smoother and more accurate in pipe cutting. Durability and practicality. Heat-treated alloy steel cutting wheel and high-grade steel construction make this heavy-duty copper tubing cutters perfect for plumbing, electrical, air conditioner installation, automotive, and DIY applications. Various cutting materials. Copper pipe cutter is suitable for cutting pipes with an outer diameter from 1/8 to 2 inch. And this tube cutter tool is perfect for cutting heavy-duty hard material like thin stainless steel, all soft tubes like aluminum, copper, and PVC. This pipe cutters cut PVC in emergency situations. Number 3. Automatic Wire Stripper Tool from TICONN. 3-in-1 tool. The wire plier combines wire striping, wire cutting, and wire connector crimping in one professional tool. Premium material. The crimping tool is built with premium steel for heavy-duty task. The alloyed cutting blade ensures sharp and precise cutting. Universal capability. The cable stripper is perfect for various wires, TICONN and other heat shrink, normal wire connectors, terminals. Wide application. The wire crimper is perfect for different types of wire connector. The wire cutter can cut solid, stranded and RONXS electric wire easily. Number 4. Bar Clamp and Spreader from MAXPOWER. Bar clamp 24-inch, clamping capacity up to 600 mm, throat depth 55 mm. Maximum spreading capacity 800 mm, reversible jaw from clamps to a spreader. Hardened steel bar, overall length 830 mm, rail size 19 by 6 mm, soft pads protect finer finishes. 100 kilograms clamping force, 24-inch wood clamp suit for light-duty works, woodworking F-clamps, and DIY carpentry. Easy to use, smooth ratcheting, quick slide adjustment, and one-hand ratchet release trigger. Number 5. Demolition Hammer from Fiskars. Wrecking bar with ISO core shock control system transfers 2 times less shock and vibration than wood handles, reducing punishment your body takes. Versatile features include board bender and straightener to reuse and straighten boards, chisel and pry to remove tile, striking face for pounding. Soft grip handle with texturing for improved grip, length designed to provide greater leverage. Demo edge maximizes striking force. Striking and struck face allow you to position the pry and strike it to target tight spots. Full lifetime warranty. Number 6. Large Viewing Welding Helmet from YESWELDER. Super large viewing size 4 inches by 3.7 inches with 4 premium sensors. The True Color technology upgrade to welding helmets improves visibility and reduces eye strain by minimizing the traditional lime green coloring in the helmet view screen. Better clarity, real color view. Now you can make a good view even better. Upgrading the welding helmet with True Color technology preserves the existing highest optical clarity rating, improves visibility by reducing the lime green tint. The large viewing area gives you a full range of vision in relation to the welding area, which enhances operator control. Increased battery life, wide shade range and response time smaller than 1 to 30,000 seconds. Comfortable headgear. Headgear with oversized comfort cushion provides extensive adjustability, settings, and improved support for better fit and comfort. Number 7. Helping Hand Soldering Station from XYK. Helping Hand Soldering Station with magnifying lamp. Very suitable for welding, assembly, maintenance, modeling, hobbies, jewelry, and crafts. With a sturdy and flexible metal hose arm and a dimmable magnifying glass, the circuit board can be fixed to the best position you want. Illuminate and magnify your field of vision. The 3 times dimmable magnifying lamp has 28 lamp beads with 500 lumens illuminance, which can be switched between 6 brightness levels at will. It can help you to illuminate and magnify the tiny details while you are working, so as to ensure the accuracy of the work as much as possible. Sturdy gooseneck and insulated alligator clips. 2 adjustable 7.5-inch and 2 adjustable 5-inch metal gooseneck arms, soldering hands, which are tightly locked on the base by screws. The alligator clips can be rotated 360 degrees and then positioned and locked in place. The clip is equipped with a rubber sleeve, so you can avoid scratching the polished surface of the jewelry or avoid short circuits. Heavy-duty base. A round powder-coated steel base with a diameter of 7 inches ensures that your solder stand will not tip over. There are 4 non-slip rubber pads on the bottom to prevent the welding assistant from sliding on the workbench. The package includes 1 solid metal base, 1 LED magnifying glass, for flexible arm with alligator clip, for rubber cover, for Phillips screws, 1 US plug, 1 mini wrench, 1 mini Phillips screwdriver, 1 cleaning cloth, 1 user manual. Number 8. Heat gun from SEEKONE. Strong power with 2 modes. 1800 watt heat gun provides strong power, quickly heat up to 650 degrees Celsius in 1.5 seconds. Variable temp control and overload protection. Unlike other dual temperature heat guns, our heat guns provide variable temperature control. The black dial provides rheostat type heating. The high-low switch on its handle provides airflow control. Temperature range from 122 degrees Fahrenheit to 1202 degrees Fahrenheit. This heat gun also possesses overload protector to avoid damaging your heat gun and circuit. Scientific ergonomic design and wide applications. This heat gun has a scientific ergonomic design handle, can prevent repetitive strain injuries and other musculoskeletal disorders. Ideal use for shrinking heat shrink tube, shrinking wrap, heating PVC, electronics, cell phone repairs, removing paint or floor tiles, loosening rusted bolts, and other heating or thawing purpose. For nozzles accessories. Deflector nozzle directs a long, narrow heat pattern to the work surface. 2 concentrator nozzles direct a concentrated heat flow to the work surface. Reflector nozzle disperses heat flow evenly around the whole work surface. Number 9. Multipurpose blowtorch from RONXS. Automatic ignition device. Just press the electronic ignition button to light and keep the flame continuously burning. Free your fingers and make things convenient. Continuous and adjustable flame. This butane torch can spray powerful flame and features an airflow control valve to easily adjust flame length and size according to your needs. The torch can create a continuous flame up to 6 inches long with a temperature of 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit. Larger capacity and longer burn time. The big butane torch capacity is 28 grams and can be used for more than 30 minutes when it is filled. There is no need to refill it frequently. Widely used in DIY soldering, welding, jewelry making, dental labs, tile laying, soft and putty, plumbing repair, cooking. Safe and durable design. Blowtorch is made of heavy-duty metal with a sturdy detachable base to stop it falling over when you set it down. Unlike other cheap plastic torches, these torches are safer and more durable. Number 10. Heat-resistant mat from PAFOWO. Heat-resistant. Premium heat insulation maintenance desk mat can be heat resistance high temperature 932 degrees Fahrenheit, which protect your maintenance platform from high temperature burnout and damage. The soldering iron can directly solder in the mat. Reasonable functional partition, clean and efficient. Mat built-in scale ruler, 0 to 36 centimeters, 3-part boxes with cover for magnetic parts areas, 124 screws position, 42 spare unit and 15 notches, easy to classify different small parts to make your repair work easy. Non-toxic and easy to clean. It is made of premium silicone material, non-toxic, anti-static, retardant, anti-skid, anti-corrosion, environment-friendly, resists corrosion and won't deform. Flexible and durable. It can be folded and it is easy to clean with soap and water or even alcohol. Large size mat. The large soldering mat with size 17.7 inch by 11.8 inch provide bigger space to satisfy your many projects repairing demands. Widely applications. It is an ideal product for repair phone, laptop, computer, sports watch, camera, smart toy, eyeglasses and more small device.
If you like to buy any of these products, please check out the links of the purchasing in description below.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share.